Cool. The white space between hello I am and my name has increased. Now we can go ahead and align the widget. Let's head over to the column and tap into the cross-axis alignment. Then write cross-axis alignment dot start. Reload it. And see how amazing it looks after those small adjustments. Now, at this point, we can give it the rest of the details. I am going to use the Sans widget and put my designation, that is Flutter Developer, and set its size to 30. Reload it to see how the text looks. Okay, it looks great. Let's place a few more details. First, I am going to give the sized box a height of 15. Then I am going to create a row which is going to have children. And within the children, we're gonna have an icon. We need to give it icons.email. Of course, give it a comma. Once it's done, we can see how it looks, as I want to keep updating you about all the codes and results each time I make a change. It's basically the best teaching strategy. The next thing we're gonna do will consist of adding a sized box and giving it a width of 20. I am also going to call the Sans widget and write my email. That is paulinaknop@gmail.com. Let me give it a size of 15 and let me put a comma over here. And this looks good. So just like this, we need to add some similar widgets. In order to do it pretty fast, I'm just gonna copy this entire row and paste it 2 times, one after another. And then, in the second widget, instead of the email, let's place a call icon. After doing that, we can obviously put our phone number. The last icon is going to be our location pin. So in the text widget, you can give either your entire address or just a city name. Also, remember to put a sized box with a height of 10 and copy and paste it in between the rest of the rows. Once it's done, you can reload it, and voila! The web app looks pretty clean. Now let's focus on building the second section of the page. So we are gonna start by minimizing the first section of the page. Then let's give it a comment stating the beginning of the second page. I am going to put a container here. Its height can be half the device height because we don't need many gaps here. Let's go ahead and give it a child. The child will contain a column which is going to accept a list of children. First, I will give it a heading and write about me. The size is going to be 40. Now let's restart it and see it show up. Okay, I don't really like the alignment here, so let's use what we used previously. That is, tap into cross-axis alignment and choose cross-axis alignment dot start. We can write main axis alignment dot center.